Okay, we'll take the elevator up to the abandoned second level, the upper level. Alright, this is the abandoned upper level. Well, it's not really abandoned, it's just being renovated. But they still got a few things here. They got the formal wear, they got the...
Not that we do. I know...
This used to be the clock shop.
Andrew used to try and get fit, like, Andrew would...
They moved the budget rental car here. The optometry place is still here. But the Sears auto repair place is not here anymore. Alright, let's go outside. That's where I like to park, because there's easier parking here than the other places in the mall. It's a brisk cold day, I would have to say. But rather sunny. So that's good. It was windy earlier, but a little bit windy now, but not as bad as before. Okay, we're back in downtown DC. Gonna have lunch here at the subway. And you see the ambulance back there? If it goes this way, I'm gonna have to get out of the way. And nope, it went straight down the street. It's a cold, brisk day here in DC. I just wanted to go out and have some lunch. It's nice and sunny, but it's cold. So, it's a little windy too. It's colder than, I don't know. With what was colder, this is or London. This is definitely sunnier than London. All right, here we are. We're just having Subway today. You go get me half foot, 6-inch sub. Maybe I'll get a 6-inch sub. Still trying to decide whether to go with teriyaki. What was the other thing that I wanted? Teriyaki? Or something else. Look at our choices. I did deal with the teriyaki after all. That's what I had delivered. That's what I'm going to have here.
Toasted, right?
Yes. Okay, I'm done at the Subway. I got me a 6-inch sub. I don't know if I'm going to eat it here or not. Maybe I'll just go back to the office and eat it there. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Okay. Having my 6-inch sub. Gonna go enjoy it. I also went to the bank, got some money. It's I think it's colder here than in London. Maybe what's throwing me off is the sun. It wasn't as sunny in London. That'd be okay if it wasn't too windy. Oh, okay. I'll go this way. I'll go this way. Alrighty. Yeah, the sun is behind me now.
Top of the home with street sides, get out.